We begin this half hour with the coronavirus pandemic. It has taken the spotlight, but there is one epidemic that hasn't taken a back seat. WPTV News Channel 5's Michelle Casada explains how a new grant is helping to fight the opioid crisis in underserved communities.
It's hard to talk over an issue that's affecting everyone, but healthcare providers say the pandemic hasn't wiped out the opioid crisis, especially in African American communities.
Being out of contact with family members who can observe how your life is changing, if there's a shift in how you're acting, if your home isn't as well kept as before. People observe this. Family members can observe these little nuances, and then they can say, hey, are you struggling? Do you need help?
At Pivot Treatment Center, the opioid crisis is still center stage.
Our community is underserved tremendously when it comes to information regarding substance use.
Tanya Young-Williams means the Black and Brown communities. That's why the Thomas Leroy Jefferson Medical Society is stepping up their efforts through a grant.
Over the years, attention of this epidemic has been focused primarily on white suburban and rural communities. Less attention has been focused on Black American communities, which are similarly experiencing dramatic increase in opioid misuse and overdose deaths. As an organization, as a Black organization, we understand that we need to be part of the solution.
The Medical Society is educating its physicians on clinical decision-making and what medication strategies can be taken with patients who have acute and chronic pain to reduce the impact of opioid addiction. And the Pivot Treatment Center is doing its part to help the community. It's hosting a Wellness and Empowerment Day in Delray Beach on August 16th. They will be offering free screenings and testing for the community. Now, you do have to make an appointment. It starts at 9:30, and we have all the information on our website, WPTV.com. In West Palm Beach, Michelle Casada, WPTV News Channel 5.